Creative Stamping Magazine, issue number 87 has arrived, and it is so perfect for this season. Now, as you know, you're not only with the magazine and lots of ideas, you're going to get goodies. So here we go. Look at this. Wild and Free is the name of these stamps. This is a giant A4 size, and there are 51 stamps there, including that bonus of all the words. So I'm nuts about you. Let me see. I bet there is a squirrel on here. Well, there is a one right there. And you bring out the animal in me. I will always love you. There's your owl. To a foxy lady. So just all sorts of very fun things. So altogether 51 stamps. What a bonus. And then let's see what they did with them. Well, you can begin by seeing that little squirrel in a wreath of the different kinds of leaves that are also included in that stamp set. So we'll start right here. And this is, and I think this is really fun to have different colors. I mean, this is certainly a different color combination. And you can download the background papers, and there is the where you go to download those. So very fun to have that as a bonus. We'll go right here to see more. I love how this is peeking out of a window. That just looks really nice, and it's nice to do with that owl. Here we've got eye-catching embossing. How stunning is this? Happy birthday with that fox. We've got that little squirrel peeking out from a gatefold card. The owl with an orange die-cut moon behind it. Very clever. And this is an article of doing colored texture paste. Now, we do carry texture paste. We know that we can color it with water-based ink pads, but they've got some other ideas here, and I just thought that was really nice to share with you. And here we go. The Chloe's Magazine and box kit we have, so I thought I would just pause for a moment right there. This is a little bit of information about the stamping platforms. We carry the Misty platform, and just gives you some little bit. Here is step-by-step how to do that card that's on the front of the magazine. And then we have some other combinations. So I think it's really fun to see. Have a great day. Hello in a wreath. We've got the two of the foxes together and the owl. And let's see. This is making a cozy home. So you can add these to other things, a frame, to if you want to do coasters. Also, if you've got some paper mache perhaps, and you want to add them to it, there's some ideas there. And this is, I thought this was fun because there is a download. So you can download and get digital stamps. So I thought that was a nice bonus and something to play with. And here we are in the same stamp set, and such a strikingly different look. And I love that. I think the magazine does a great job of showcasing that for us. So you get just lots of ideas. There's that little hedgehog peeking out. And this is called a swing reveal card. And there is the card, but this piece is on a brad or a button or something to swing. And so that's, then you see the message underneath. So step-by-step information of how to do that. Nice to see some different techniques. I thought this was very stunning. This is partial heat embossing. Step-by-step how to do that. And while it's not using the stamps that are here, it is an excellent technique. So I thought that was really nice to have. And again, you get some step-by-step instructions for this, and that's always appreciated. Now we're going back into using the stamps, getting some other ideas. I'll turn this over. You can see all of that. And then I tabbed one more just to share it with you. It's Your Birthday, Gather Together. I thought that was really fun. So, stampers, this is a great collection. There are, as I said, 51 stamps. Nice to have it at such an amazing price and have it all together. Creative Stamping issue number 87, exclusively here at paperwishes.com.